Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix the problem of clear data on the application of X Twitter. You will go to settings. In this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this page, you will go down until you find this window of X and you will click here. In this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time, and thank you for your watching and your attention.